Romesh Ranganathan, stepping into Claudia Winkleman's shoes on BBC Radio 2, candidly shared his nerves about taking over her Saturday slot while juggling an intense commitment, a London marathon run scheduled for the same weekend. In a playful exchange on Zoe Ball's breakfast show, Romesh humorously confessed to secretly hoping for an injury that might excuse him from the marathon's grueling 26.2-mile challenge. Every time I go on a training run or anything, actually, if I'm going down some stairs, there is part of me that thinks, if I hurt myself in a way that took me out of the marathon, I wouldn't be devastated, he quipped to Zoe. Discussing the daunting prospect of debuting a new radio show and then diving into a marathon weekend, Romesh joked, "Thankfully, I've made that dream come true." Despite his humorous approach, he acknowledged the challenge ahead. Romesh's marathon preparations have led him to plan a tongue-in-cheek public speech for social media in case he must withdraw due to unforeseen circumstances. "Guys, I'm absolutely gutted," he teased, outlining the scenario. "Unfortunately, I was crossing the road. I went too quick off the curb. But thank you so much for all your support." While fully committed to both endeavors, raising money for charitable causes and stepping into Claudia's radio role, Romesh admitted to wishing for a less physically demanding route to support his causes. Amidst the light-hearted banter, Romesh acknowledged Claudia Winkleman's decision to step back from the morning show to prioritize family time. Reflecting humorously on the situation, he remarked, "I'm grateful to Claude for wanting to spend more time with her kids and enabling me to spend less time with mine." With his signature wit and self-deprecating humor, Romesh Ranganathan approaches these nerve-wracking challenges with characteristic charm and honesty.